trying to offer such facility in Hospital ng Maynila. It's gonna be free. It's not my money. It is your money. Sininok lang namin. So muli, maraming salamat sa aming partners and future partners. Mga nanay ko, galing. Galingan. Oh, 500 daw. Ito, 5,000. Tama na. Nagsasabong lang, no? Okay. Ingat kayo. Galingan ninyo. Huwag mo ako papaya, ha? Ha? Please, I love you, gagawin. Love your job. Love the opportunity. Excited. Muli, magandang araw. Pagkalay na kayo ng buong lugar. Manila! God first. Thank you.
Happy birthday to